Greetings, I am Arniel Barker, and welcome to Arniel's Farside Island Nature Guide. Okay, what we're gonna look at first is those berries over there. They are highly magical, and they formed Fleshker.
Once upon a range of trees with 3 chimpanzees. Then Dad went out, ate some magical berries. Went all the way back home, here's a mutant of babies.
These berries have very random effects. For example, oh, and those are just generic berries, they have no magic. Also, chimpanzees every now and then, they are all part of Fleshker's family tree. There are also bears and skeletons, zombies, raptors, large enemies made of stone.